Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2006 Honda Civic 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the AC condenser fan assembly that's going to be located on the passenger side front of the engine. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Door trim panel remover, 3/8 ratchet, 5mm Allen wrench socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, flat tip screwdriver, anti-seize, and dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is an AC condenser fan motor. It's going to be on the passenger side front of the engine. Okay, first we're going to be removing this plastic piece. So remove these retainers. So we're going to be removing this radiator support. So I'm going to be removing this electrical connector. Push this in and pull it out. Okay, removing this mount. Okay, so we got to remove this electrical wire. So I'm going to put a rag over my battery. Let's put it to the side. So I'm going to be removing this fan. Remove these 2 bolts and the fan should come right out. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in the fan. So these 2 brackets right there, you're going to be lining these up with the bracket. So I'm going to be bolting up the fan to the radiator. Putting some anti-seize on my bolts. So I'm going to be putting on the radiator support. Make sure you clip all the wires on. So I'm going to be connecting this electrical wire to my fan, putting in some dielectric grease. Installing this plastic cover. Putting on these plastic retainers. So that's how you replace an AC condenser fan assembly. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.